Are you ready for some football on Tuesday night?
This is what they do in LA instead of watch the games. They play with these and beach balls and do the wave. Get out of here!
Whose house? Rams' house. Until next week, and then it's Chargers' house for a little while. But then after that, it's gonna be Rams' house again. Woo!
Tuesday night football, baby. Welcome to the Something or Other tour. Hope they both lose. Woo!
This was scheduled to be a Sunday game, but because of COVID protocols, it got rescheduled to Tuesday. Cole was supposed to come with me, but he couldn't make it today. So that means you have an extra ticket so I can go? I mean, I guess, dude. I guess.
Yes.
Welcome to the Something or Other tour. We're at SoFi Stadium for Tuesday night football, Rams Seahawks. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm at SoFi. It's really crazy. This cover just meets right here. All the way. It covers the whole stadium. It's so strange. It's like the stadium's actually outside. They just built this cover over it. That's kind of the design. I really like it. I guess back here's where they keep the Raptors. Or is this the T-Rex paddock? So most of you probably know that the Rams share the stadium with the Chargers now. The worst part about sharing a stadium is that the only things representing the team are these old dirty banners. You know, I like a stadium when it's only one team so that they have giant murals and banners and all kinds of cool stuff, but it doesn't seem to be the case here, at least so far. What I love is the stadium's right across the street from the LA Forum, legendary arena. That's where the Showtime Lakers played. Tons of legendary concerts and stuff. Just a really, really cool arena. One of my favorites that I've still never been to. I've been outside of it a bunch of times. And actually, fun fact, when me and Cole first started this channel, like our first week of filming, we started to film something at the LA Forum in the parking lot, but it just never came together. There wasn't enough to it, so I never put it out. But just to say that someday I do want to do an LA Forum episode. If anyone has a hookup to get me in there, let me know. I'm in, first time in SoFi Stadium. Check another one off the list, baby. Welcome to the house that Jared Goff built, huh? SoFi. He knows what's up. This place has some weird angles where the seating just ends. It's kind of cool. This entry plaza is pretty impressive. I like this. Really cool mural here. Appears to be made out of used diapers. Oh, sorry, it's aluminum. It looked like diapers. I mean, they've pulled no punches here, pulled out all the stops. You got dirty old banners. There's a fountain squirting water. I mean, this is the most hyped stadium I've probably ever seen. Came all the way to the very tippy top corner just to see it. It's cool, you can see the LA Forum from right here. You can see planes going over. I really like this place. I got my souvenir cup. Cheers. I've yet to hear anyone cheer anything about the Rams at all. Except for one guy outside yelled out Rams, that was it. I'll help him out. Rams suck! No, nothing. I got nothing. Rams suck! Yeah, there's no energy, excitement at all. Rams suck! Dodgers suck! Chargers suck! Seahawks suck too! Nothing. Nothing. I wish there was enthusiasm for the team. I want people to heckle me. So this is my third time seeing professional football in LA. You may remember on this channel we went to the LA Coliseum to see Rams Niners on Christmas Eve. And then we went to the StubHub Center, saw Chargers Chiefs.
So I got to see one old falling apart stadium that I love, one novelty stadium, a StubHub Center, tiny little soccer stadium, and now one gargantuan new millennium stadium. They got a snack station on the way to the field. What do you guys think of those on-field suites? They're kind of strange, but I don't know. I think I like them. I've now officially seen a football game on more than half the days of the week. So that's something. Let's go Niners. All right? No? Nobody wants to join in? Let's go Niners. I'm gonna cry?
No, Montana made me cry.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. See, you got it and you're ready to go.
That was embarrassing, I'll be honest.
It's Christmas.
All right, the Super Bowl is gonna be here, I forgot. That's the guy who plays Kurt Warner in the American Underdog movie. Boo! I'll boo him too! Boo them both! So they just need to find an obscure rule so both teams can lose. It probably helps the Niners if the Seahawks win, so I'm probably leaning Seahawks. I hate saying that. Niners, baby. Boo both teams. Stafford with the pick. Did I ever tell you guys how stupid it is that two teams moved to LA and they both have the same colors, similar uniforms, blue and yellow, Bolt, horn. Jimmy G, baby! There he is! Woo! The stadium is awesome. I love this stadium so far. Love it. The only downside is they share it with the Chargers, so at least Levi's, we don't have to share it. We don't have to dismantle the 49er Museum every week. Niners! Looks like we got us a pitcher's duel. Almost halftime is 3-0. This is that LA nonsense right here. You guys getting distracted by balloons and beach balls and the wave. Surprised you guys haven't pulled out the wave yet. here, Jalen Ramsey and Aaron Donald have had great games. Hey, it's Chris Everett, everybody! Jim Everett was treating her like Jim Rome. Place is cool, man. I like this. Game over. The dreaded Rams beat the dreaded Seahawks. I wish they both found a way to lose. All right. That was fun, man. This place is awe-inspiring. I love it. I give it a 8.5 or a 9 out of 10 for the facility. As far as team representation, though, it gets a 1 out of 10. There's no museum, no Hall of Fame, no statues, no history. I hope they add that at some point when I come back. NFC best, baby. It's tightening up. Rams still aren't winning anything. Maybe if they play in a bubble and shorten the season, they'll win a championship. That seems to be how LA likes to do it. Everyone boo this man! Boo this man! Well, this was fun, man. Tuesday night football, huh? I just need a Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday game. And I've seen a game every day of the week.
San Francisco.
That's right, baby! The good guys are coming to town on January 9th. Rams got lucky, and the Seahawks got what they deserved. When you think about it, what did they really win, though? You know what I mean? I got some more souvenir beer cups that I found.
How was that? You enjoyed it?
Heck yeah.
This place is great.
Yep.
It's pretty good. Remember, we have a Patreon. If you'd like to support the show, get us to more stadiums, more episodes. We got behind the scenes stuff, bonus episodes up there, all kinds of cool stuff. Go Niners, go Giants, go Warriors. That's it and that's all. Go Sharks too. I think if my count's correct, this is the 7th NFL stadium that you guys have come along with me on. We've done a video at 7 different stadiums, I think. Not including ballparks or arenas, just NFL stadiums. So I appreciate you guys, especially those of you that have watched every single one. I appreciate all the support, all the kind words, all the people that have come up to me at games and said they enjoy the videos. Really cool, man. It means a lot because my channel's still pretty small at this point. I mean, are we talking SoFi? Huh? What are we talking here? Another one checked off. I really like this place. I rate it pretty high. They just need some sports history stuff. Like, subscribe, share, do all the cool things cool kids do. Something or other tour, Vertlife. Another great night here. Can you please get out of the A-hole?
They should let me lay down on the field like that to film.
Nah, I gotta drive all the way back to the Bay Area tonight.
Rams until Sunday, then it's Chargers house.